Guys, have you ever seen some kind of people in which they get difficulty whenever they bend their legs for walking, whenever they bend their hands for writing, and whenever they bend their back for picking any object from the ground? Actually, during this time they get pain because they are diagnosed with a kind of a condition which we call it as arthritis. So today in this video we are going to learn about arthritis. Hi, my name is Atharva and welcome back to my channel. So let's start this. So guys, what is arthritis? Arthritis is a kind of a condition in which the person gets pain in their joint whenever they bend. Actually the pain is caused because of breakdown of cartilage. Now what is cartilage? Cartilage is a kind of a connective tissue and that cartilage acts as a cushion. So you can take this example as a vehicle. In a vehicle there are some kind of fluids called lubricant to make the movement smoother. So in the same way the cartilage acts as a lubricant to make easier for bending your hand and to prevent any sudden shock whenever we are bending. So during this cartilage is formed by a kind of a protein that is called as collagen. So collagen is a kind of a protein which forms this cartilage, and collagen is formed from a kind of a cell that is known as fibroblast. So fibroblast is a cell which produces collagen, and collagen is a kind of a protein which produces the cartilage. So basically there are two types of arthritis. First type is osteoarthritis and second type is rheumatoid arthritis, and let us discuss about them one by one. So first is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is one of the most common type of arthritis globally. It is estimated that more than 600 million people across the world suffer from this type of arthritis, that is osteoarthritis. So how does this osteoarthritis happen? It happens because of the breakdown of cartilage, and the cartilage is produced from a kind of a protein that is known as collagen, and this type of arthritis, that is osteoarthritis, that happens in aged people above the age of 55 to 60 years. So above the age of 55 to 60 years, that is a common disorder in which the collagen amount in our body starts to decrease because of increase of our age. And because of the decrease in the production of collagen, the cartilage cannot be repaired, it gets damaged, and because of the damage of cartilage, the two bones causes a friction whenever we bend, and because of that as it causes the friction, the people get shock whenever we bend our hand, and because of that it causes arthritis, and this type of arthritis is called as osteoarthritis. Second type of arthritis is called as rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is caused because of misfunction and misunderstanding of your immune system. Basically, your immune system produces WBCs to attack the foreign invaders which have come to harm the body. During this rheumatoid arthritis, your immune system will produce WBCs to attack the collagen, because they think that your body thinks that the collagen are foreign invaders which have come to attack your body. So prevent against that, the immune system produces WBCs to attack on the collagen and as well as the cartilage, because cartilage is formed from collagen, and as they attack it leads to the damage of cartilage, and because of the damage of cartilage it leads to arthritis, and this type of arthritis is called as rheumatoid arthritis. So what are the symptoms for arthritis? Basically the main symptoms for arthritis is that people will get pain whenever they bend. Second thing is that people will get inflammation, swollen and redness. So these are some of the main symptoms for arthritis. So how can you treat arthritis? Basically till now there is no any permanent treatment for arthritis, but there are some kind of medications which doctor gives in the form of oral or in the form of ointment which we use to give some kind of relief from arthritis. So first type of medicine is corticosteroid. Corticosteroid is an anti-inflammation medicine which helps in reducing the inflammation. Second thing is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug which helps in reducing the inflammation as well as the pain. Third thing is disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drug which helps in reducing the inflammation as well as the pain. And we must take some kind of minerals and some foods which can help to give some kind of relief from arthritis and help in the production of collagen. So first is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid acts as an anti-inflammation food which helps in reducing the inflammation. What is the most important food is fish liver and salmon, which is a kind of a fish. This is mostly found in these two products and it is mostly found in non-vegetarian, but in vegetarian it is mostly found in nuts. Next is cruciferous vegetables or also called as green leafy vegetables, which also acts as an anti-inflammation vegetables which will help to reduce the inflammation. Next is vitamin C. Vitamin C acts as an anti-inflammation food and also helps in the production of collagen in your body too. And because of the production of collagen, it can help to repair the cartilage. Next is calcium. Calcium is one of the most important food for the people, those who are especially diagnosed with arthritis. This is because during arthritis, when the two bones causes a friction, then because of that, the calcium present in our bones, because the bones are made up of calcium, when our two bones rub against each other and causes friction, the calcium present in our bones starts to escape, it starts to remove because of the friction whenever we bend, and because of that our bone becomes weak. So to make our bones stronger, we must take calcium in our diet. Next is weight management. Yes, weight management is also one of the most important things because as per a report of 2025, there are more than 300 million cases of arthritis that are mostly affected in our leg joints. So in our leg joint, that is patella bone, and if suppose the weight is more high, if the weight is increased, then there are more pressure on our leg joint, and because of that there is higher risk of fracture in our leg. So it is important that we must have proper weight management. So I hope you have understood about arthritis. You can like, share, subscribe, and you can comment in the comment box. So thank you. Bye.